In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a channel on VidIQ. Whether you're streamlining your content strategy or simply need to clear out some digital clutter, removing a channel from your VidIQ account is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the VidIQ website. You can do this by typing in the URL or clicking on a bookmark if you have VidIQ saved for easy access. Once the page loads, you should find yourself on the VidIQ dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your channels and accessing various tools. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon, usually a profile picture or an initial if you haven't set a photo. Click on this icon and it will bring up a menu with several options related to your account settings. This is where you manage all the channels linked to your VidIQ account. Once the menu appears, look for the option labeled Channel Settings. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where you can see all the channels you have connected. This section is designed to give you control over how each channel interfaces with VidIQ, allowing you to tweak settings or, in this case, remove a channel altogether. Now, you should see a list of your channels. Each channel will have its own set of options. To remove a channel, find the one you wish to delete and look for the option that says Remove this channel. It's typically placed towards the end of the channel's settings options, and clicking on it will initiate the removal process. It's important to note that once you click Remove this channel, the channel will be disconnected from your VidIQ account. This action cannot be undone from VidIQ's end, so make sure that you're certain about removing the channel before you proceed. If you change your mind, you would need to go through the process of reconnecting the channel manually. And that's it. You've successfully removed a channel from your VidIQ account. Remember, keeping your digital workspace organized can help you focus on the channels that matter most to your current goals. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips on managing your online presence efficiently. See you in the next one.